Right now, inside your skull, there is a 3-pound organ that is more complex than any galaxy we've ever discovered. It's your brain. It consumes as much power as a light bulb, yet it can process images faster than the world's most powerful supercomputer. But did you know that your brain is technically shrieking in the dark? Or that it literally starts eating itself if you don't get enough sleep? Today, we're diving into 10 crazy brain facts that will make you realize you're basically walking around with a biological superpower. Stick around for the later facts, because they will change the way you think about your reality forever. Let's get into it. Fact number 1. You are a walking battery. While you're awake, your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity. That is enough to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. This energy is created by billions of neurons sending electrical signals to each other. So the next time you say you have a bright idea, you're actually being scientifically accurate. Fact number 2 is all about speed. Information in your brain travels at different speeds, but the fastest signals zip through your nerves at an incredible 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a Bugatti Chiron at top speed. This is why when you stub your toe, your brain registers the ouch almost instantly. Your internal fiber optic network is truly top tier. This next one usually surprises. Fact number 3. Your brain is the fattest organ in your body. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, but don't go on a low-fat diet to lose brain weight. This fat is crucial for insulation. It's what allows those electrical signals we talked about to travel so fast without leaking out. This is why healthy fats like omega-3s are literally brain food. Fact number 4. Your storage capacity is mind-boggling. For a long time, scientists couldn't pin this down, but recent studies suggest the brain has a memory capacity of about 2.5 petabytes. To put that in perspective, that's enough to store 3 million hours of TV shows. You'd have to leave your TV running for 300 years straight to use up all your brain storage. You aren't forgetting things because you're full, you're just having trouble finding the file. Fact number 5. Your brain feels no pain. Wait, what about headaches? Well, headaches are felt by the meninges and the muscles around the head. The brain tissue itself has 0 pain receptors. This is why surgeons can actually perform brain surgery while the patient is wide awake and talking to them. It's the ultimate irony. The organ that tells you when your finger hurts can't feel a thing itself. Fact 6. Your brain literally washes itself while you sleep. There's something called the glymphatic system. When you hit deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink to allow cerebrospinal fluid to flush out toxins and metabolic waste. If you don't sleep, those toxins stay there, which is why you feel foggy the next day. You're literally walking around with a dirty brain. I promised you this one would be wild. Fact 7. If you are severely sleep-deprived, your brain starts to eat itself. It's a process called autophagy. Specialized cells called microglial cells start consuming the synapses in your brain as a way to clean up, but they go overboard when you don't sleep. It's like a cleaning crew that gets so bored, they start throwing away the furniture. Fact 8. Your brain is a greedy roommate. It only accounts for about 2% of your body weight, but it consumes 20% of your total energy and oxygen. Even when you're just sitting on the couch, your brain is burning calories to keep your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your thoughts flowing. It's the most expensive real estate in your body. Fact 9. Your brain often can't tell the difference between a real memory and a vivid imagination. When you vividly imagine something, the same parts of your brain light up as if you were actually doing it. This is why athletes use visualization to practice. Your brain is essentially a simulator that can rewire its physical structure based on what you think about most. And finally, fact 10. Your brain is plastic. Not the material, but neuroplasticity. Every time you learn a new fact, like the ones in this video, your brain physically changes. It creates a new connection between neurons. You are literally a different person now than you were a few minutes ago. Your brain is never finished. It is a work in progress until the very end. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? For me, it's definitely the brainwash. If you enjoyed this deep dive into your own head, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.